Alright, 25. Let's see, this is sort of finding the limit as h approaches 0 of 2 plus h squared minus 4 over h. So you can recognize this as a derivative, or the slope of the tangent line. We want to do algebra with this to solve this, so we're going to do the limit as h approaches 0 of 4 plus 4h plus h squared minus 4 all over h, which is a limit as h approaches 0. Well, those cancel, and the h divides into both of those. 4 plus h, and as h goes to 0, I just plug in 0 for h, which is 4. 28. Limit as h approaches 0 of 3 plus h squared minus 3 minus h squared all over 2h. And we can look at it graphically, what does that really mean? But for right now, I just want to solve this limit. And that's going to be the limit as h approaches 0 of 9 plus 6h plus h squared minus 9 minus 6h plus h squared all over 2h. So if we simplify that, we get 9 minus 9 is 0. 6h minus negative 6h is positive 12h. h squared minus h squared is 0, which is cool because the h's cancel, and so that would just be 6. Okay, the limit as h goes to 0 of 6 is 6. And let's see, 29. What's wrong with the statement? Velocity and speed are the same. No, speed is the absolute value of velocity. Remember, velocity can have signs. To the right is positive velocity, to the left is negative velocity, or going forwards and backwards. Up, positive velocity is upwards, negative velocity is downwards. And lastly, 34. If a car is going 50 miles an hour at 2 o'clock and 60 miles an hour at 3, then does it have to travel between 50 and 60 during the hour? Let's make this bigger here. It travels between 50 and 60 miles an hour between 2 and 3. Well, it kind of depends how you interpret it, so let's interpret it both ways. Does it have to travel between 50 and 60 at some point between 2 and 3? Yes. Does it have to be only between 50 and 60 between 2 and 3? No, because it could go slow way down and then speed back up, kind of thing. So that should do it. I'm trying to make sure if I'm missing anything on this problem. I think when I assigned it, I thought it said something different. Nope, that's it. But I'll tell you what I do want to do is I want to find the average speed. That's going to be, let's see, so 60 minus 50, so all over 3 minus 2, right? So I'm just finding that, I can't do it that way, can I? Sorry, I'm like thinking at the same time I'm doing this video, so you get my thoughts right now. Yeah, because I don't know the position, so I can't do that. So sorry about that. My mistake. So that's it then.